Well, it looks like they've started putting up the stone. Loving it. This will be great. It's your entry. Got the hardy plank. All in a nice big tall entry. Come in. To the left, it looks so different with sheetrock and everything. Got our hallway. This is a bathroom. Sorry, there's no electricity, so there's no power. This is your bathroom. There's bathtub down there, your toilet. And this is vanities. And it is a double vanity in here. So this is your secondary bathroom. First little secondary bedroom. Great for an office. And your second one, you've got a little bit of an entry here. This could be an office too. Nice, huge walk-in closet here. Wow. Oh gosh, that scared me. You got this bedroom kind of tucked back here. This would be nice and quiet for your office, but down here it looks like we've just got a little hallway closet. This is your laundry. That is really coming along. Your door out to the garage. Nice, large living space. Open. I'm assuming this would be dining, living. And then we've got your kitchen over here. A nice, huge pantry. Your island. It looks so different with all of the drywall up. But wow, look at this. Beautiful. And here is your office, Judy. Nice big space. And then going into the master. Nice large master bedroom. You can see the ceilings are super tall. And then going into the bathroom. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how much they've gotten done. This is exciting. A large stand-up shower. Here we have a very large linen closet. You can put hampers in there too. Keep wanting to turn on lights. This is your toilet area. And this is, oh, this is one huge closet. Huge closet. And then another huge closet. So you've got two nice size closets. His and hers, or hers and hers. So yeah, this is looking really good. Very excited about how far it's come. Can definitely get a better feel for just for the overall size and layout is definitely much easier to see now, obviously. You've got conduits in here to where you don't have to have the wires running down the wall. Yeah, this is going to be super cute. I like it a lot. Just another quick little glance. Laundry room and that third bedroom. We'll walk out into the garage. This will be your electrical panel here. Garage all nice and finished out here. You'll have your water heater. It's plumbed for a water softener. Your attic access. I cannot really see what I'm filming right now because of the bright sun, so I hope it's coming through. See over here, they've already started the brick on this side. Your nice, good-sized covered patio here. As you can hear, it's so peaceful out here right now. And that over there will be where the air conditioner sits. They've got the hardy plank already on the back side of the house. And they're getting prepared to brick this side of the house. Sorry if it's a little wobbly. I am trying to maneuver through construction and dirt piles out here. I And again, I can't really see where I'm filming, so I hope it's coming through. All I get is a glare, so. But yeah, it's looking real good. I hope you're excited about the progress.